Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's time for dollars and cents. And guess what? Zillow just said that rates will go to almost 6% by the end of the year. So what happens? What does that mean? This is really important to understand because as people are debating whether or not they should buy a home, that's a key detail. If rates go up basically over a 1.5% in the next 10 months, which is a pretty dramatic swing, I don't think that's going to happen. But let's see what it looks like if it does. What I created is a cost of waiting analysis based on what Zillow thinks is going to happen, and then I took a much more conservative approach to show you why it's still more expensive to wait. So links right below here. I did two different counties. I did Contra Costa County and Santa Clara County. Any counties you want to see, I can build out. Any price points you want to see, I will build this specifically to what you want. But let's run through what Zillow thinks is going to happen first. So rates are projected to go to 5.875%. The Zillow link is right below this as well. And Zillow also says in Contra Costa County that appreciation will be about 4.9% this year. 4.9% appreciation means prices are still going up. And Zillow is also saying that interest rates are going up. So that means your cost of monthly payments are going up. Everything is going up according to Zillow. So what does it look like if that happens? Let's use a round number, a nice simple number, $1 million purchase with 20% down. That'd be an $800,000 loan. So I gotta look at notes here on this one. There's a lot of details. Basically what that means is $1 million home that would be purchased today is going to cost quite a bit more in 6 months and then again in 12 months. So in just 6 months, that same house will cost you in total $31,000. If you go out 1 year, it's going to be $62,000. That's using 4.9 appreciation and assuming that rates go to 5.875, which is what Zillow is saying, and we all trust Zillow. So that's what Zillow thinks. Now, let's say they're wrong. Let's say rates don't go up that fast and that appreciation is not 4.9%. If that happens, this is down below under Sean's cost of waiting. Let's say appreciation just modest, under 2% a year, which is beyond modest. It's super modest. So let's just say that that happens, and let's say rates go up. Right now, they're at 4.25 on average, depending on your scenario. Disclaimer, everything builds into this. Consult with a mortgage advisor to get your exact interest rate based on your scenario. But that being said, let's say rates go up 0.5% in the next 6 months. And the only reason I say 0.5% is because they're down right now due to the trade wars, due to the government shutdown, due to the fear in the market. So rates are down from where they were anyway. So 0.5% change is almost just getting us back to where we were. So let's say that happens. If that happens, so less than 2% appreciation, the same house will have cost you $25,000 more in 6 months and $50,000 more by the end of the year. So no matter how I slice it, it doesn't make sense to wait to purchase a home. It's going to be more expensive. Everyone is anticipating homes continuing to rise in price. There will be appreciation. It may not be the 10 or 13% we saw in prior years, but appreciation is appreciation. Prices are going up. And if rates rise, your cost of money is more expensive. Now, let's say that rates decline, right? So you buy today and then rates go down. You didn't make a bad bet. You just refinance. That's part of what I do for my clients. We're going to refinance you anyway. So take a look at these examples I built out for you. Let me know what questions, comments, concerns you have. Help try to prove me wrong. I love figuring out, looking at this from different angles. But I really want to make sure everyone understands what's coming this year. Waiting can be very expensive, and I want to make sure you get the home that you want at the price that you want. Interest rate, we'll get it what you can now, and if it gets better, it gets better. If it gets worse, you're glad you bought when you did. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know how I can help. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.